Good morning. Most of you have attached your homework assignments to Chapter 1, which is a pretty straightforward chapter on basic fire chemistry and behavior. Chapter 2, we start talking about the codes. And one of the things in the codes is research. And one of the big things is NFPA and the U.S. Fire Administration, along with state and local authorities, all have developed codes that goes into basically what you administer every day. So this brief introduction to chapter 2 kind of gives you a good insight of what you're going to be up against. I would strongly suggest that when you read this, you take notes. Unlike everything else, you have a capstone, but you will have quizzes in this class. And you'll probably see one about week 5. So it'll be like a mini midterm, but you will have a quiz. And I guarantee you, everything will come out of the book. So by all means, please keep up on your reading assignments. And if you have any questions, please, by all means, call me. 513-615-3768 is my cell phone number. This is Dr. BJ. I'm here to help you. I'm here to see the insights of your brain and how you feel about fire protection. We're in a new millennium, so to speak. And by doing that, we have different thought processes. Think about the Y generation and how they're going to react to fire alarms. And one of the things we're dealing with today with kids coming out of college and they're now going into the workforce, there's all these buildings that are got pre-exemption devices and fire alarms and just all types of warning devices. How do you feel we should manage this in the future? And I think we're going to get into a little situation where maybe we're giving too much information, or maybe we're not even addressing the right information, which I think is key. And I think we're going to have to look at this, how we communicate effectively to all people. So this is part of the program. This is what you're up against with fire protection systems and structures. And one of the things you got to understand is, what are we going to do for tomorrow? The history of the sprinkler has been pretty good. But at the same time, how are we going to get people to be aware of their surroundings and what to do in case of an emergency? I hate to say this, but think about the active shooter problems we have and how this would all tie into a fire alarm being set off in a school with children or in a college classroom, or better yet, in an office building. It does happen. So think about that. Thank you.